is which way do you install this? Do you install it this way? Do you install it that way? All right, now you're ready to install your oil filter housing or adapter housing, whatever you call it. Now this one doesn't run. There's a couple different types of these small block Chevys. This is just the standard style. They have ones that have a sandwich in there for a oil cooler that you get in some of the police package cars and that kind of stuff, but this is just standard one. So there's another controversy about everything. Is which way do you install this? Do you install it this way? Do you install it that way? Now from the factory, this is the way they install it. They install the bypass over here. Now, I never understood why they do that, because remember, the feed hole is right here. So you have the oil hitting this area and getting sloshed around. I mean, it doesn't make any sense to me. What I do is I flip this around to this way, get this out of the way of the hole of where the oil is coming into the filter. That's my opinion. That's my way. I'm pretty sure people have different whatever. Then there's another thing is that do I put a gasket there or not gasket there? I use a gasket. Very simple. Stick it in there. Get your torque specifications to what you want to torque it down to. Never use an impact gun on this, or your nut driver, screwdriver, whatever you want. It's aluminum. Take it easy. Doesn't need to be that tight. Click. Click. Click, 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 click. There you go, click. Voila. Your own delete bypass using your factory piece here.